Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our webinar, Mastering Event Management Skill Online with WP Event Manager. I'm Navodita Srivastav, and I'm thrilled to have you all over here today. Before we dive into the exciting world of WP Event Manager, let me brief introduce myself. I'm Navodita Srivastav, Marketing Head at WP Event Manager, and I'll be working closely with this incredible plugin that has transformed event management on WordPress. Today, we are going to explore the key features of WP Event Manager, learn how it can be simplify your event management process, and as a special treat, we have an exclusive offer for all our participants. So stick around until the end to find our. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a special guest speaker with us. It is my pleasure to introduce our streamed speaker for today, Pratitshi Basu. Pratitshi is a dynamic professional who serves as a content and community manager, bring a wealth of experience and passion to our team. In her role, Pratitshi oversees the creation and management of our content strategies, ensuring that we deliver value and engaging resources to our community. Her expertise extends to forecasting a sense of belonging within our community where members can connect, learn, and share insights. With a unique understanding of the industry and a creative flair, Pratitshi plays an important role in shaping our brand narratives. Her dedication to creating a meaningful connection has significantly contributed to our community's growth and vibrance. Without further delay, let's welcome Pratitshi Basu, Content and Community Manager, who will be sharing her insight with us today. So please join me giving a warm virtual welcome to Pratitshi. Pratitshi, over to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratitshi Basu, and today I'm going to tell you how you can master event management skills online with WP Event Manager. Can we please have the slide, Navodita? Okay, so our presentation in on mastering event management skills online with WP Event Manager. So I'll start with a brief introduction of the company, and that is WP Event Manager. It is a plugin. It is basically an event management plugin for WordPress that helps you streamline your event management process through your WordPress websites. Moving on to the next slide, that is who can use this plugin. Well, WP Event Manager is a plugin that can be used by technically anyone, even by a person who doesn't have any technical expertise. If you're an event manager, if you're whether you're an event manager or an organizer, whether you're a business owner, a teacher, a musician, whether you can belong to any field, but you can use this plugin with very ease. Now, moving on to the next slide, please. Okay, so I'm going to give you a brief overview of our company, that is WP Event Manager. The company is named after the core plugin, WP Event Manager. It was established in the year of 2017. It is a Surat-based company, and it is here to simplify the event management process online through WordPress websites. We have recently stepped into food businesses with WP Food Manager. Next slide, please. Okay, so why WP Event Manager? Well, WP Event Manager has a vast area of features. Besides this, it is user friendly. Like I just told you, that anyone can use this plugin, whether you have technical expertise or not. Doesn't matter, you can use this plugin. It is SEO friendly. It has advanced event filtering facilities that lets you find your preferred event easily and fast. Besides this, it has more than 37 premium extensions, and each of them serve different event management purposes. In addition to that, we have an amazing support system. that is always there to help our customers if they ever face any kind of problems with our premium plugins. Next slide, please. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you the key feature of the plugin. Firstly, the plugin offers responsive designs, means it looks good on any devices, like whether you're using it on mobile or in a tab or on your laptop. It perfectly suits well with the screen size. It is easily customizable. I think customizability is one of the major points that every business requires, because every business has different requirements, and WP Event Manager understands that. That's why it offers a vast area of customizability. Secondly, it is SEO friendly. It will help your events rank higher on popular search engines like Google. Field editor is another advantageous option that gives you edit your form fields, like different types of event form fields, like if you what are the kind of information, you can easily decide the kind of information that you want to collect from the organizer who is going to fill up the event submission form. Nextly, multiple views. With WP Event Manager, you get two types of view. One is box view and another is list view. You can easily create events from front end and back end both. Like front end event submission forms allow, excuse me, event organizers easily submit their events, and the admin can approve or disapprove based on his wish. Next is event preview. I think this is very much important because it gives you the right to check if all the event details that you have added are correct or not before going public. Next is an event dashboard. Through the event dashboard, you can access all the event details at one place. Besides this, we have venues and organizers dashboards that lets you access all the details of venues and organizers. It offers multilingual translation support. It is also, the plugin is also compatible with various popular page builders like Elementor. Another important feature of WP Event Manager is template overriding. If you're not satisfied with the basic customization that we offer, you can also make changes to the coding structure of the plugin without affecting the main structure. Okay, so these were the basic features of the plugin. To know more about it, you need to visit our official site. Next slide, please. Okay, now we are going to tell you about how you can know and understand and test the plugins that we are selling. For example, if you like a few premium features of the plugin, you can easily access our demo site and understand how the plugin works, and also decide if it is useful for your brand or for your business or not. I'm going to tell you how you can do that. To access the demo site, what you need to do is you need to visit our official site, and as you can see over here, that you'll get a demo option right above the page. You need to click onto the demo option where you need to fill, and you'll be redirected to a page where you need to fill your email address and press on the submit button, just like it is seen in the screen. After pressing the submit option, you'll instantly receive an email in your inbox which will contain the password and also an option that will ask you to confirm the email address. Now, by clicking on the option, you'll be instantly redirected to the WP admin site. Now, here you can access the details of all the plugins that we have in our store for you. Now, what you have to do, you have to go to Event Manager and then click on the settings option. Here, as you can see, all the plugins are there. If you want to know the details and how the event works, how the plugins work, you can access from them. And also, if you want to see the results of the changes that you have made in the plugin section, you can simply go to the Visit Store option and see the changes that you have made and how it will look on your live site. So this is how the demo works. Next slide, please, Navodita. Okay, So I'm going to ask you a small question over here. I want to know what do you think is the most challenging part of managing an event? You have three options over here. One is managing ticket sales, second is attendee engagement, and the number three is promotion. Well, as we all know that event management is not an easy task. It involves a lot of things. So like there are a lot of things that give us sleepless nights. I mean, us means the event organizers. So I want to know if we have any event planner or event organizer over here. I want to know from them which part among these three areas they find the most difficult to manage. So I will be waiting for your question over here. Okay, so you can share your question anytime. My team will connect with you to give you the answer. Okay. Whether you think ticket sales is the biggest problem, or you think promotion is the biggest problem, or attendee managers is the biggest issue for you. Well, WP Event Manager has the solution for all of these problems. I can tell you that. Moving on to the next slide, please, Navodita. Okay, so here I have someone, Mr. Lionel is saying that attendee engagement is the most challenging part. Well, I too agree with you, Mr. Lionel. That is definitely a challenging part. But as I told you, that WP Event Manager has the perfect solution for you. And if you want to know what is the solution, you just have to check our official website and the details, because we have a separate, a plugin for this management, this process. So you need to check all the add-ons for that. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about the problems the common problems that an event manager faces. Okay, so the first one in the list is offering event related information in a single place. Well, let me explain you this point. Because suppose it often happens that you must have added your event to a site, and your users might have to go to a different site to for registration or to purchase the tickets. So they have to juggle between different sites, I think, which is a very problematic process. Sometimes during this process, just to do all these hassle, people step back. They usually do not prefer to hop from one side to another. So this is one of the biggest problems. So what a WP Event Manager does is, I'll tell you later. Okay, the next one is increasing the number of attendees. Yes, we all want that our events gather maximum number of attendees. That is what we aim to. But this is also another challenging part of event management. Next is engaging attendees. Then comes managing registrations, because when we organize a huge event with bulk attendees, registration becomes a challenge. Because if we if we try to manage everything manually, then errors might happen. Other problems might happen. So it's better to automate the process with the suitable plugin. Next is boosting ticket sales, effective promotion, event promotion, then managing guests, helping audiences with the venue. These are the most common part of event management. Moving on to the next slide, please. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how WP Event Manager can solve these problems. Well, with WP Event Manager, you can display your events through a calendar, where you can display the dates and details of that particular event and highlight it. Secondly, it gives you a centralized platform for all types of event details, like, and that is nowhere else but your own website. You can sell tickets, you can manage registration, you can provide event information, you can manage your event. Everything can be done throughout your WordPress website. Next is ticket sales. Well, ticket sales is one of the major part of event management, and we all always try to increase it as much as possible. If you have a plugin like Sell Tickets that WP Event Manager offers, can easily solve this problem by automating the entire process. Then with events, ticket sales comes with the registration process. This can also be simplified with WP Event Manager. Apart from this, we have guest management facility, personalized event promotion. Then you can also put a full stop to the problem of attendee data management. And another problem that we often face is that letting our attendees know about the exact event location. But that's not a problem when you have Google Maps to show your event data. Sorry, event details. Okay, next, please. Okay, my next question to all the attendees in this event is, what do you face? What problems do you face as an event manager? I want to know as a whole. I know I have talked about a few, but they are the basic ones. But if you want to let us know if I have missed any points, or if any special kind of problems that you faced or something like that, you can easily share with us. You can share your answers anytime. So I'm moving on to the next slide. Okay. So, WP Event Manager has received several awards and recognitions. We are glad that our hard work has paid us off, and these awards and recognitions are the proof that our supporters love us. Okay, so in 2022, we have received the Monster Awards for being the second best booking and appointment WordPress plugin. We have also been recognized by the World Brand Affairs as the most trusted Indian company. Next comes is the fastest growing WordPress product title to WP Event Manager. And then we have recently been honored with the third most with the award for being the third most popular events in booking and planning plugin by WP Awards. And the recent one is the HackerNoon. They have tagged us as a first runner-up of being the startup of the year 2020-23. Next slide, please. Okay, as I have mentioned earlier that we have a lot of extensions that serve different types of event requirements. So we have more than 37 premium extensions that are available both in bundles and individual. So some of the most popular plugins that we offer include Sell Tickets, Event Registration, Event Calendar, Expo Networking, Zoom, Speaker and Schedule, Event Countdown, Google Maps, mobile application, Event Alert, and Event Export. Next slide, please. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you how we have grown throughout these years. I told you that we have started our journey in the year 2017, and that point of time we only had 1,200 users. But today we can proudly say that till 2023 we have managed to gain 22,000 users worldwide, and the number is growing, growing, and growing. Next slide, please. Here is a glimpse of the global reviews that we have received in the popular platforms on Glassdoor, Software Advice, WordPress, Casa Reviews. Just take a look. Okay, so we are an Indian company, as we all know, but we have a global reach. Today, we have customers who are scattered all over the world, including Asia, USA, Europe, Africa, and Australia. Okay, so we have hundreds of happy customers who have added their reviews on our official website. You can check them anytime, whenever you feel like, and we would love to see you next in this list. Next slide, please. Okay, so I'm so happy to announce that after gaining immense popularity in the event industry, we have finally stepped into the food business world with WP Food Manager. It's another plugin. It is a food business management plugin that is here to simplify the management of food businesses through WordPress websites. It also has several plugins to simplify the entire process. The core plugin is ready. Along with that, three more premium extensions are also ready, but we are still working on more plugins to offer more benefits to our esteemed customers. Next slide, please. Okay, so we have reached almost at the end of the presentation, and I would like to thank everyone for being present over here. And there is a surprise for you guys. Like, thank you so much for being a part of this webinar. And we are going to offer you a flat 20% discount on all our premium add ons. Please use this discount code that is mentioned in this slide to gain this offer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening to me. Off to you, Navodita.
Thank you so much, Pritashi Basu. So, here the exciting part. As a token of our appreciation for our participants, all webinar registration will receive an exclusive 20% discount for all our products. But remember, this offer is valid for 24 hours only. So make sure to take this advantage before it's gone to end. And before we conclude, I want to express my sincere gratitude to each one of you for joining us today. Your time and engagement means a lot. But before we end this, I like Pratichi Basu to respond some of our comments over here. If you check in a private chat, you will get some comments from our viewers. So please respond on it. If you
Landon,
want,
sir, we
I
will
will share.
definitely contact you. Our team will definitely contact you. And Frank, regarding the technical part, we have a technical team to support you over there. You'll get all the answers of your queries. I'll definitely ask my team to contact you. Thank you for being there. Thank you so much.
So don't forget to take advantage of this exclusive offer. Visit our website to explore more about WP Event Manager and claim your discount. We will be sending you a follow-up mail with the webinar recording, additional resources, and way to stay connected with us for future updates. So thank you one again for being a part of this webinar. We look forward to assist you in the unlocking the future potential of WP Event Manager. Have a great day.